See what's happening, y'all. I'm looking at a network simulation. So we're looking at a packet run through the network. This is some software by Cisco to allow you to, observe how networks actually work, y'all. Shit is crazy. I'm hella new at this shit, man. Okay. Now here are all the events over here. This all what just occurred on this in this page. See, like if you click on one thing, then this will come up and it'll show you that type of shit. LAS program, huh?
These are the labs right here. And the instructions I'm following. Yeah. Good shit. Yeah,
That's it. Put that Columbo on pause, nigga.
You're bumping to her. I see. Thank you very much. Okay, right. Yes. You heard this.